Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So today I will show you how to use who is your true love filter on Instagram. So for that you need to search for a particular user. So this is a user WNMLMMR. So you need to search for this user and you have to click on this face icon you can see in the middle, and the first one is who is your true love filter. Just click on this one. So if you want to add this filter to your filter list, then you can click on this icon here. Then this filter will be saved to your filter, and if you want to try it, just click on try it. Here you can see. So in this way, just press on this one. So in this way you can use this filter. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.